In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you see your zip code on Cash App. So step one, all you have to do is just simply launch your Cash App application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now, step two, you have some options here, but you have to go directly to the top right corner, which is your profile, this human icon here. You just have to tap that one. And then step three, under your account, you can see options here like add a profile photo, invite friends. You just have to go directly to account and settings and then click personal. And then step four, under personal, you can see here your information. Actually, you can add a mobile number here, add an email address, and then below add address, you can see here. Okay, if you have your address here, you can probably see here your zip code. Okay, so in this area, you will find your zip code. And also, you can simply change it if you want. So again, you just have to go to personal and locate address to simply find and look for your zip code and change it. As easy as that. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.